So what's going on, guys? I wanted to kind of let you know what I've been doing. Apart from working from home, I've been kind of dabbling a little bit with the stock market, watching Netflix. Right now, we got Hamilton on in the back. I wanted to show you guys what I've been doing during this time. And one of the things I learned, what I'm trying to learn, is how to kind of play in the stock market during this time. I felt was really a good time because you always hear, right, oh, the market is crashing and this is a good time to buy. So I wanted to kind of share with you guys how it's been going for me and what I've learned in these last couple of weeks. I want to say that I've been doing this investing thing now for about 3 to 4 months now. It started right when we all got sent home to work back in March. In that time, I have added to my account $465. That is money that I have put into it. But my current equity, my account, what it is 532 with 96 cents. So I have made, all in all, in this time, $67 and 96 cents. Now, of course, that still is a fluctuating amount. Just last week, I was at 530, was it 738? 538 was where I was at. I've lost $5 this week, $5.76 to be exact. And currently today I'm at 532.96. Lost 52 cents today. I bought 4 shares of Disney at 118.36. So I bought too early. I am a beginner. I am here to learn. I want to learn. I've done a few trades. I've bought a share. I sold some shares. I added. I've recently started doing stop losses. A stop loss is where if it hits a certain price, it sells your stock. So I wanted to learn about that. So I bought Netflix this past Monday. The stock had been going down, and I was like, okay, well, let's add a stop loss just in case it keeps going down, because it was low based off of what it was a couple last week off its high because of their earnings report. I put a stop loss on that one, and I lost $5 on that, and it's cool. You're learning, you're going. But Disney, I bought it at 118.36 a share. I lost $8. I've so far lost $8.60. There's a few reasons I kind of want to stick with Disney. First reason I want to stick with Disney is they have an earnings report coming up. Earnings report will be next week on Tuesday after hours. Earnings report, what it is right now it's technically considered earnings season. So all these companies on the stock market are publicly traded companies where they made it open to the public. So currently right now I am an owner. If you purchase a stock, you are considered a part owner of the company. So I own 4 shares of Disney. Now they have their earnings report coming out next week. So the one thing that they say in the research that I've done is the stock market is not the economy. If they hear it's down, the stock market sometimes, in this specific case right now, it is up. The market is on its highs. A lot of companies, the analysts can't really say why the market is so high. They keep saying that there's a second drop that is coming. Invest in companies that you'd like to own. Disney with the kids, right, is something that I like. All right, I want to invest in Disney. Now, with Disney, I did buy the stock, the shares a couple of days ago. I bought it on July 23rd, so on Friday. I bought it on Friday. I've lost $8 since, but I believe the earnings report is going to come out. They're going to drop good news. I think their Disney Plus thing is going to increase a lot of subscribers. They're going to give that new earnings report out, and we're going to end up the stock is going to go up. Now this here, what we're looking at, this is the Yahoo Finance page where you can go into it and see it on the different intervals that you want. You can look at a 1 minute time of day, and you can see all the trades that were done. Or you can look at it as a day, per hour, the day, a week. Each of these little things here is called a candle. So these are candles. The green means that it closed higher than what it opened, and the red means that it closed lower than what it opened. So this is what today looks like. So we're looking at the 1-day interval. So it opened today. If you hover over it, it tells you on the left-hand side here. It opened at 115.46 and it closed at 116.18. So because of that, it's green. Now, one thing that you'll see with these candles, so this is kind of what you use to determine when you should buy into a stock or when you shouldn't buy into a stock. Or at least that's what I'm using. I am a beginner. I don't know honestly what the hell I'm doing, but I made 76 bucks. But they said, I did read an article that said that right now anybody can make money on the market. Because it is fluctuating. It's so volatile right now. It is up and down. You got some money that you're just, it's kind of sitting there and you want to try it out, then the market, I would recommend it, because like at this point, if I wanted to cash it out, it's been in there for 4 months and that's a savings, right? I'm not doing anything. If I wanted to cash it out, I would cash in $76 more than what I would have had, and that's just in 4 months. Another tool that they use is you want to draw a line and you draw it across intervals, the low part of something and the high of something. So the top bar, this is where the support line is. The bottom bar is the support line, and the top bar is the resistance line. So I am drawing, you can draw these anywhere on the graph, but my call that I'm making is that, so a support means that it came down, it's gonna hit this bar, it's gonna use it as support, and it's gonna ramp back up. The top bar, which is the resistance bar, so it went up, it hit that kind of pricing, and then it goes down. So right now, we are currently, we're testing the previous support level here of the 116. It's about to kind of be at that number. So it looks like we kind of used it once, twice, and now hopefully a third time, to where it's coming down right now. So it's going to use it to bounce back up, and it's going to bounce up into positive numbers. So I don't know. That's kind of what I'm kind of working with here. Again, if this doesn't, I'm gonna hold this one until the earnings report comes out, or if I feel like it starts kind of dipping out lower. So for this 1 day, I think down here is gonna be the previous, so 105. If this breaks past this line, so doing another line, so this could also be considered a support line. Another thing that could potentially happen, it comes down here, and if it breaks, if it ends up going under the line, under it, I might have to sell it, because now the other support line is gonna be all the way until 109. So since I bought at 118, and I bought 4 shares, I do not want to lose down to 109. So I probably put a stop loss on this. So I have to keep an eye on this for tomorrow, whether it broke through or if there was another increase. If it starts increasing, then that means it kind of started testing the support line, and it could, our previous resistance was at 120. If it breaks down under this one, I might want to consider selling it, because it's down. I don't want to go all the way to 109 from 118 that I bought it. That's kind of what it is. If you guys have any questions, let me know. If you want to join, let me know too, because then if I send you a referral code, then you get a free share and I get a free share. And they say that you can get like one of the big ones, right? But it's usually a little cheapy share. The one I got when I got referred in by was Macy's. Word of advice, I did not keep the Macy's one for, I did not keep it for the 30-day time limit. So if you're signing up for Robinhood, so Robinhood is the free trading app I use. If you drop in $100 in there, you get a free share. If you get a referral code, you get a share from me. I'll put the referral code down the bottom. Then you get a free share and I get a free share. But hold it for 30 days, because if you sell it before the 30-day limit, then you won't get credit for it and you won't be able to use it as a trade. So you have to hold it for 30 days. Anyways, all right, guys. Well, again, I am just learning. So as you can see, I have kind of learned a few things about just by reading. You read YouTube. YouTube helps a lot because I can read these things, but you kind of need to see it in action. So YouTube helps. That's kind of why I'm doing this here too. But if this kind of helped you, if you guys want to see more, just leave some stuff in the comments, and yeah, we'll go from there. But let's see how tomorrow goes with Disney. All right, bye.